I did this because I love you guys. I had a couple of people asking, can you do this without a lift? Yes, you can. So it's not gonna be easy, but you can do it. So you've got a couple bolts. Let's see if I can get a good. You've got a couple bolts here. And this is gonna be a feeling process, 12, couple pop rivets, and then it goes up. It goes up and then in the wheel well. So what you're gonna wanna do to do it, you're gonna wanna turn this passenger, you're gonna turn the wheel all the way to the right so you can get as much clearance. You've got a bolt up there, and then I had another person ask, does it fit well? So you're gonna need to get the coupler turned. It's gonna be, let's see if I can get it good, about that angle. And then you're gonna want to have this bolt a little loose, and then it makes you push it in real nice and firm into that coupler down there. So you can do it. And then of course, once you do that, there's no cutting or anything. So you can see, let's see if I can get that. It's hard to hold the flashlight and the phone. But as you can see now, it fits. And again, I'm not on a lift or anything. Fits. All of the bolt holes up there line up. The bolt holes down here line up. It's just a matter of getting the coupler right. Now, of course, I'm gonna tighten everything back up and then put it back together. But you can do it without a lift, and you can do it. I literally uninstalled this thing and I'm reinstalling it for you guys, just so you can see that you can do it without a lift.